Hello students, this is grade 4 science, lesson number 5, and the topic is boiling. Have you ever wondered what happens during boiling? That's the first thing that you should bear in mind. So let's remind one another before we discuss boiling in details. As a matter of reminder, when a substance changes from one state, such as a solid, to another state, such as a liquid, we call this a change of state. So what it means here is a change of state is when a substance is changing from one state to another. So any matter, either it is a gas or a solid or liquid, they do change from one state to another. So when you heat a liquid enough, it will change its state. So here is an example of this change of state. For example, when you are heating a liquid, right, it will change its state. It will become a gas. And when a liquid becomes a gas, the process is evaporation. But when you heat a liquid enough, it will reach a point whereby it will start boiling. And the temperature at which the liquid will boil is called boiling point. So if a liquid is boiling, it means it has reached its boiling point. Now, boiling. Boiling occurs when a liquid reaches its what? Boiling point. And this boiling happens everywhere in the liquid. If you have a container holding your liquid and you heat that particular liquid, if it reaches its boiling point, the boiling will take place everywhere in the liquid, from the bottom to the top, from the left side to the right side. You see the liquid boiling everywhere. So I talked about this boiling point. What is it? So this is the temperature at which a liquid boils. A temperature at which a liquid boils. So every liquid here on earth, I know there are billions of liquids, but each and every liquid has got its own boiling point. Every liquid has its own boiling point. For example, pure water. The boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius, and that of ethanol is 78 degrees. Both these substances are liquids. You have pure water, which is a liquid, have ethanol, which is a liquid, and they have different boiling points. Let's talk about boiling water. Remember, water boils at 100 degrees, and that's the boiling point of water. If I ask you, what is the boiling point of water? The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. What is the boiling point of pure water? The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. This means boiling water does not get hotter than 100 degrees Celsius. So this is sentence, it's saying when a liquid is boiling, its temperature doesn't increase or decrease. If a liquid is boiling, the temperature remains constant. The temperature doesn't change. Even if it boils for long, the temperature will remain constant until all the liquid is gone. So when water is boiling, bubbles of gas formed in it rise to the surface. How do you know that this water is boiling? That's my question. You have boiled water before, right? But how do you know that this water is boiling? It's because of this. When you see bubbles of gas rising to the surface or rising to the top, just know that the water is boiling. So as it is boiling, there is also process of evaporation which is taking place. As the water is boiling, it also turns to a gas. That's why after some times you find that the volume of that particular water is reduced, or the volume of that particular water has decreased. Okay, so I was saying, as the water is boiling, it changes to a gas. It forms two gases. What are these gases? These are the gases: steam and water vapor. Some may wonder, why am I differentiating steam from water vapor? It's because steam is very hot, and we can't see steam with our eyes. It's very hot. It's the one which burns us. But water vapor, that's condensed steam. Water vapor is condensed steam. It's the one which we see with our eyes. When we are boiling something, what we see, right? Something coming out from the pot is the water vapor. That's condensed steam. Steam cannot be seen using our eyes, and it's very hot. It burns. So as the water vapor and steam cool, they change back into a liquid. So here should be they change back into a liquid. So this process is condensing. When water vapor and steam cool, they change back into a liquid, and we call this process condensing, which is the opposite of evaporation. So that marks the end of the lesson. But before that, I have this video, which of course you will watch when you get the notes, right? So thank you very much. Stop.